Hi all of you, I hope you guys are great. My name is Daulat Hussain. In the last video, I have explained you everything about the comment tag, that why we use it, what are the ways of using comment tag in our HTML documents. So if you haven't watched that video, I've linked that video in the I button in the description so you can watch it. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do so, because in this course, I'm going to teach you everything about HTML from beginner to advanced. So after watching this tutorial, complete course, you don't need to take any courses development. I'm going to teach you everything. In this video, I'm going to focus more on heading tag. What is the importance of heading tags, how we can use it, what are the syntax of using heading tags. So that's all you're going to find in this video. So let's start the video. So let me take you to the Visual Code Studio and show you practically. So here you are in my Visual Code Studio. In the last tutorial, I have explained you extensively about the comment tag in HTML. So this is the notes I have given. I have shown you in practically. So I will provide you the file on my Daulat Hussain HTML course. Simply type in that Google and you will find that article. From there you can able to download all the codes, because I have divided this entire course in section wise. So if you want to know about the comment tag, you can download the comment tag file. But in this video, I'm covering the heading tag. So I'm going to create another file by the name heading, heading, no space in between, .html. So make sure you have to give extension like .html extension always. So here I have provided you notes, so you can always take the reference while doing the practice of HTML heading tags. So basically, what is HTML heading tags? HTML heading tags are titles or subtitles which you provide to your web page. So HTML heading tags are defined between H1 to H6. So this is the syntax which you use whenever you want to add a title or heading tag in your web page. H1 define the most important heading and H6 define the least important heading on a web page. So here I have taken a simple HTML document syntax. So this is how we write the heading syntax. H1, this is how we do the opening, and then we write our text, and this is how we close. Let me show you once I run in this browser how it's going to look. So before I run in the browser, let me comment this section, because we have learned we don't want to display these sections in the browser. So let me comment this one, and we have to use this tag. We have to use the tag which we learned in the past. In this way we can able to do the practice. So let me save it and run it in the browser. So as you can see, this is how it's going to display in the browser. H1 is the most important, that's why it's big, H2 least, and this is how it goes. So here I have written a note for you. So you have to remember one thing, that browser automatically adds some white space margin before and after heading. So if I come to the browser, and as you can see, you can able to see the margin from the top, bottom, right and left. So your browser can automatically add some margins which you can easily manipulate by using the CSS, and I will show you later down this video. But for this tutorial purpose, just only focus on this tag. So why heading tags are important in your website? For your understanding, here I have given you few notes so you can take the reference. Search engine use the heading to index the structure and content of your web page. So when you build your website, or when you write any kind of articles, or you see on any website, they are built in a proper way. There is one main topic and there are subcategories, subtopics in that main topics. So when we want to define that main topics, we use the H1 tag, and when we want to define the subtopics, we use the other tags, and this is the hierarchy we follow as per our content structure. So it's very important for search engine optimization, because when the crawler of Google's comes for indexing your articles or your web page, they focus more on these tags, and those crawler will crawl these tags, and they will have the understanding, okay, this web page is on this topic because it's defined the H1 tag. This is the subtopics, so they can understand the hierarchy of your web page. So it's very important for search engine optimizations. Sometimes user also look at the heading and subheadings, and then they decide to read the articles. This is what I have mentioned here. User often skim a page by its heading. It is important to use the heading to show the document structures. So as I told you, that you have to use the main heading tag, the main topic of your titles, and then you have to use the subcategories or subtopics. So H1 heading should be used for the main heading, followed by H2 heading, then the least important heading, and so on. So this is how you have to use it. You can also apply styling to a heading tag. As I told you, that your browser will automatically add some padding, spacing to your tags, but you can able to customize it as per your requirement, as per your designing, while using one syntax of HTML, which is called styling. We're going to learn in brief about this styling tag. I just want to make you familiarize, that's why I have included it. So if you want to apply the styling to this heading tags, so let me save it and run it in the browser. So this is how it's going to display in the browser. You can easily able to compare that what it look without styling and how it's looking with styling. So this h1 heading tag is looking normal, but here we have used some styling. We have increased the font size to 60 pixels, that's why it's looking big. So this is how you can add some custom styling. We're going to learn everything in brief about the styling, so make sure you follow this series along with me to know everything about this HTML course. So that's it in this video. In the next video I will show you about the paragraph tag of HTML, that how we can use it and why we use it. So don't forget to watch that video. See you there. Bye bye.